I'm picking her up today.
They say humans are social animals. They can't.
Grand Rising royalties, and we are back with another vlog. And guess with who? Mommy has came into town.
Wonderful.
I'm so glad. So this is my mother, everyone. As you can see, we're ready to go. So we're about to get out of here. She doesn't know what we're about to do, but you have a hint of what we're about to do.
I'm ready. Whatever it is, I'm ready.
I know you guys is like, what's going on, all this maroon that she be wearing? Well, I like maroon. Get over it. I forgot my debit card, cash, and lipstick. And here's the M train. Now me and Mom nodded out one on the train. So we are back here. You ready, Mom?
I'm finna get out there and skate.
What you talking about? You ain't better get out there and skate. Y'all, I don't know who she thinks she is talking about something. I haven't did the skating thing. I'm not about to get out there and skate. She about to get out here and skate. You guys ready for this? Look at her tying them shoes like a champ. See, she know what she doing. She know what she doing. She trying to act like she don't know. She trying to act like she's scared.
I gave y'all ice skating lessons. Not myself, but you are.
That's all right though. God, don't she look so cute? Where did she go? Oh my gosh, guys, I'm getting nervous now. We're getting closer to the skating rink. You ready for this, Ma? She's thinking about her life right now. Go ahead, I'm catching your baby steps on camera. I get out first. Oh my God! Oh, snap. Ah! I don't remember the floor being this slippery. You got it. They have penguins for you. Oh my gosh! I'm actually moving. Okay guys, so I don't know how much I'm gonna have on vlog because they said I can't have my camera out. I'm gonna sneak it, we'll see. There you go, Mom, you got speed! You got speed! You guys, Mom did a good job.
Made it all the way around.
She went all the way around.
Oh my goodness.
It was not an 8% on the wall, but she still went around. Yeah. She got off the floor quick. I looked back, she was getting off the floor.
Yes, that ice is so slippery.
They just got through doing the ice though. All right guys, I'm about to go out there.
And I'm gonna take the picture this time.
Okay, so Mom's gonna vlog for me. All right, ready for this?
I got you.
front, she did give us ice skating lessons when we were kids, but no, they did not last long. So I'm surprised I actually kind of remember how to somewhat move on the ice. She's going by herself. Glide by yourself when you get, come on, Mom. Ah. That was the slowest fall ever. I'm so, oh my gosh, she can't do it. Come on, Ma. I believe in you. Look at her, she got a snowman. You guys, you cannot say she does not look so cute right now. I just met some new friends at the skating ring. So this is Shayna,
Jillian,
and Jillian. And so we're really trying not to fall out here and skate. And so they're pushing us off the ice. So we're gonna take a picture really quick. Ready? Got it.
that's so cool.
We are done ice skating. Oh, you guys, we had such a great time. First of all, I have not been ice skating in over 10 years. My legs was like, I kind of remember this, I don't know. Mom did so well. She was stuck to the wall for a minute, but she went around like 6 times. And so I grabbed her hand and she glided with me. Aren't you so proud of yourself?
Am.
I'm so proud of my mom. You guys already know what time it is, right? You already know what time it is. Go ahead and say it. Go ahead and say it.
Eating time.
Eating time. We about to get something to eat. So we have stopped at this restaurant called PAX, P-A-X, in Times Square. And we were headed to a different restaurant, but we'll go there later, another day. I got my first stuffed pizza. I never had stuffed pizza. The whole thing is stuffed, not just the crust and some pasta. Finished! Devoured that cheesecake. We have made it to Kmart. Just came here to see how much their bed sheets were and to get a lint roller. They interrupt my song for an announcement.
And 1% thereafter. You'll also earn 2% at Kmart and Sears.
On clearance.
Fun fact, guys. Fun fact. I used to sing right here. And then the police got strict and kicked me out. But some of them like me though. I'll show you me street performing another day. Made it back to the house, royalties. As you can see, I am in a different position. This here is my new couch. This is my new bedspread. So we have made it back. Mom really enjoyed herself at the ice skating ring. So anyways, we have the itis and we're going to get ready to settle down and end our night. What do we have to do? Do we have to do anything? No.
Unless you want to go get 2 pillows down the street.
We are not going to get pillows.
Okay.
Thank you, Mom. But now I got a couch in my room. Gonna go ahead and close this vlog out. If you guys like this vlog, please get this to 20 likes. That's all I ask, just 20 likes. If you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Love you guys. Mwah. Until, should I say the next day? Will I vlog tomorrow or no? Tomorrow's Wednesday. Until next week, royalties. Peace.
They say humans are social